Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the assistant professor and the multiple vacancies, just like the associate and the professor vacancies from the 12 government universities. Here the all around total 6,000 vacancies are there nearly. So it is a wonderful opportunity. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for opportunities in the government universities. And here in Still Outlook website, you can check down that more than 12 government universities are recruiting nearly 6,000 assistant professors. So here the one is there are 20 such universities are recruiting more than 6,000 assistant professors, and these universities are including the IITs, IIM, state government and the central universities and the autonomous government institutes. Here the first one is a Nagaland Central University recruiting the 75 faculty posts. So out of this one, assistant professor vacancies are 17 are there, associate 24 and professor 21. And coming to the closing date for submission of application is 20th November 2020 via email, and the last date of receipt of application hard copy is 7th December 2020. And IIM Calcutta, so it is the last, it is the 14th December 2020. And next one is IIM Madras announces the recruitment of assistant professor, and it is for the PhD candidates. Okay, so the last date is 3rd December 2020. And the Rajasthan Public Service Commission is announced for the 918 assistant professor vacancies, and the last date for submission of online application form is 8th December 2020. And the University of Lucknow recruiting 164 faculty posts, out of which 140 are the assistant professor. And the last date is 1st December 2020. And coming to the Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam, Kerala, recruiting 24 faculty posts, including the 12 assistant professor vacancies. And in Chaudhry Ranbir Singh University is in recruiting the 11 assistant professor and the 2 associate professors. And it is a direct recruitment basis. Bodoland University announces the recruitment of 33 faculty posts. Out of that one, the assistant professor vacancies are 2, associate 16 and professor 15. And coming to the Neelambar Pitambar University, it is announced the recruiting of 94 contractual assistant professor vacancies. 94 vacancies are there from the 18 departments. And coming to the Central University of Gujarat, 70 faculty posts including 25 assistant professor vacancies. And the NIT Rourkela recruiting the faculty posts, and it is for the PhD candidates. And the Cotton University, Guwahati announces the recruitment of 47 faculty posts, and out of this one the 6 assistant professor vacancies are there. And next one, Bihar State University Service Commission announces the 4,638 assistant professor vacancies, and the closing date is the 2nd December 2020. So here you can check down the universities and the last dates. Nagaland University 20th November, and the Institute of Chemical Technology. And next one, IIM Calcutta 14th December, IIT Madras 3rd December, Rajasthan Public Service Commission 8th December, and University of Lucknow 1st December, Mahatma Gandhi University 7th December, and Chaudhry Ranbir Singh University 16th November, and Bodoland University 16th November, Central University of Gujarat 30th November, and Cotton University 24th November, Bihar State University Service Commission 2nd December, and the NIT Rourkela. So you just check down the official websites of these individual universities to know the more details. Anyhow, I will come with my upcoming videos in my channel regarding the detailed notifications of this each and every individual universities. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan, okay? So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.